Today we are going to learn 8th class mathematics rational numbers, existence of identity, existence of inverse distributive law. Existence of identity. 1. The role of 0, the role of 1. The role of 0, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 and 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Minus 2 plus 0 is equal to minus 2 and minus 2, 0 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 2. 1 by 2 plus 0 is equal to 1 by 2 and 0 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. When the number 0 is added to any rational number, the rational number remains the same. That means 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. The role of 0. We call 0 as an identity element of addition or additive identity. If A represents any rational number, then A plus 0 is equal to A and 0 plus A is equal to A. The role of 1. 3 into 1 is equal to 3 and 1 into 3 is equal to 3. Minus 2 into 1 is equal to minus 2 and 1 into minus 2 is equal to minus 2. 1 by 2 into 1 is equal to 1 by 2 and 1 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. What observations have you made in this multiplication? We will find that when you multiply any rational number with 1, we get the same rational number as the product. We say that 1 is the multiplicative identity for rational numbers. Existence of inverse. Number 1, additive inverse. Number 2, multiplicative inverse. First of all, taking additive inverse. 1 plus minus 1 is equal to 0 and minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0 and 2 plus minus 2 is equal to 0. 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0 and minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Then additive inverse. Here 1 and minus 1, minus 2 and 2, 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 are called the additive inverse of each other because on adding them we got the sum 0, that is additive identity. A is a rational number, then A plus minus A is equal to minus A plus A, that is equal to 0. A comma minus A are additive inverse of each other. Multiplicative inverse. 7 by 2 into 2 by 7 is equal to 1 and 2 by 7 into 7 by 2 is also equal to 1. 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 and 1 by 2 into 2 is equal to 1. Minus 5 into minus 1 by 5, that is equal to 1 and minus 1 by 5 into minus 5, that is also equal to 1. Any two numbers whose product is 1 are called the multiplicative inverse of each other. Reciprocal of or the multiplicative inverse of A by B is equal to B by A. A by B into B by A is equal to 1. Now taking some problems. Number 1. Write the additive and multiplicative inverse of the following. Question number 1. The additive inverse of minus 3 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. Multiplicative inverse of minus 3 by 5 is equal to minus 5 by 3. Second question. Additive inverse of 1 is equal to minus 1. Multiplicative inverse of 1 is equal to 1. Third one. Additive inverse of 0 is not exist. Multiplicative inverse of 0 is also not exist. Taking second problem. Multiply 2 by 11 by the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. Solution. Multiplicative inverse of minus 5 by 14 is equal to minus 14 by 5. Minus 5 by 14 into minus 14 by 5 that is equal to 1. 2 by 11 into minus 14 by 5 that is equal to 2 into minus 14 upon 11 into 5 that is equal to minus 28 upon 55. Then go to another problem. Distributive law. In distributive law there are two types. First one is distributive of multiplication over addition. Second one is distributive of multiplication over subtraction. Then taking distributive of multiplication over addition. Take three rational numbers, that is 2 by 5, 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. Let us verify whether both are equal or not. Taking LHS, 5 by 2 into within brackets 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4. LCM of 2, 4 is 4. Then that is equal to 2 by 5 into within brackets 1 into 2 plus 3 into 1 upon 4. 2 by 5 into 2 plus 3 by 4. Then that is equal to 2 by 5 into 5 by 4. 2 ones are 2, 2s are 4. Dividing with 2 numerator and denominator. Then the answer 5 in the numerator and again 5 in the denominator. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. Then that is equal to 1 into 1 by 1 into 2. That is nothing but 1 by 2. Then go to RHS. RHS is equal to 2 by 5 into 1 by 2 plus 2 by 5 into 3 by 4. Then that is equal to 2 into 1 by 5 into 2 plus 2 into 3 by 5 into 4. In denominator, numerator dividing with 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Then 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. then that is equal to 1 into 1 by 5 into 1 plus 1 into 3 by 5 into 2, that is equal to 1 by 5 plus 3 by 10. LCM of the 5 and 10 is equal to 10. Then 1 into 2 plus 3 into 1. 2 plus 3 by 10. That is equal to 5 by 10. That is 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. That is answer is 1 by 2. LHS is equal to RHS, that is equal to 1 by 2. Here is both are equal. This property is called distributive law of multiplication over addition. For all rational numbers a comma b and c, then a bracket begin b plus c bracket close, it is equal to ab plus ac. For all a comma b and c belongs to rational numbers, then a bracket begin b plus c bracket close is equal to ab plus ac. Then go to second one, distributive of multiplication over subtraction. Take three rational numbers 2 by 5, 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. Let us verify whether both are equal or not. Then taking LHS, 2 by 5 into within brackets 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4. LCM of 2 comma 4 is 4. 2 by 5 into within brackets 1 into 2 minus 3 into 1 upon 4. 2 by 5 into 2 minus 3 upon 4, then that is equal to 2 by 5 into minus 1 by 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. Denominator and numerator are dividing with 2. Then 1 into minus 1 upon 5 into 2, that is equal to minus 1 by 10. Then go to RHS. 2 by 5 into 1 by 2 minus 2 by 5 into 3 by 4. Then that is equal to 2 into 1 by 5 into 2 minus 2 into 3 by 5 into 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Then 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. That is equal to 1 into 1 by 5 into 1 minus 1 into 3 by 5 into 2. That is equal to 1 by 5 minus 3 by 10. Then LCM of 5 comma 10 is equal 10. 1 into 2 minus 3 into 1 upon 10. 2 minus 3 upon 10, that is equal to minus 1 by 10. Then LHS is equal to RHS, that is equal to minus 1 by 10. This property is called distributive law of multiplication over subtraction. For all rational numbers a comma b and c, then a bracket begin b minus c bracket close is equal to ab minus ac. For all a comma b and c belongs to rational numbers, then A bracket begin B minus C bracket close, that is equal to AB minus AC. Today we will learn role of 0, the role of 1, adding additive inverse, multiplicative inverse, distributive law. Thank you children for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for notifications. Click on bell icon